Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back and thank you for supporting me. I'm Coretta. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use a multi-layer rhinestone template in Cricut Design Space. Come on y'all, let's get started. For this project, I will be using rhinestone flock, rhinestone Hotfix transfer tape. I'll be using an edge brush to brush my rhinestones in. I will be using a wax pencil to place rhinestones where they did not fall into the circle, a black t-shirt, and SS10 rhinestones. I will leave a list of these items in the description of the video. For this video, I am going to be testing a new rhinestone template for my Etsy shop. I will leave the link to the rhinestone template in the description of the video if you're interested in purchasing. To cut the template, I am going to upload the rhinestone template into Cricut Design Space. To upload, I am going to select Upload on the left toolbar. I'm going to select Upload Image, select Browse, browse to the location of the template, select the template, and select Open. Once the template uploads, I am going to select Continue on the bottom right. This is the image detail screen. I'm not going to make any changes on this screen, so I'm going to select Upload on the bottom right. Now the rhinestone template is on the canvas, and I'm going to make sure that it uploaded at the correct size, because sometimes when uploading rhinestone templates into Design Space, they may not upload at the correct size, so you always want to check the size. According to the design, the rhinestone template is 11.017 in width and 11.122 in height. Here in Cricut Design Space, I'm going to make sure that the whole design is selected. So I'm just going to make sure that the whole design is selected. And on the top toolbar, I am going to check the size. And on the width, it says 11.016 by 11.122 in height. Now, it's really small, but I am the type of person that I want it to say exactly. And so it's supposed to be 11.016. I'm sorry, it's supposed to say 11.017. So I want to change that. I'm going to unlock the lock proportion, and I'm just going to change this last digit to a 7 and hit enter. No change occurred, but for me, it gives me comfort in knowing that it is the exact size. So now that I've checked the size of the rhinestone template, I am ready to cut. So I am going to select Make on the top right. On this screen is the rhinestone template on the 3 color coordinated mats. So I have one layer, which is the upper part of the 23, and I have the blue layer, which is the Psalms 23 outline, and then I have the red layer, which is the 23 inner outline with the bottom of the 23. So on this layer, you have the 22, and I want to only cut 2 mats. This mat is full, and I think there is room to put the 22 on the red mat. So to move the gray, I am going to select the gray mat, and I'm going to select on the left hand side, I'm going to select the 3 dots, and I'm going to choose Move Object. Here, I'm going to select the red matte, and I'm going to select confirm. Now I have the top part of the 23 on the red mat, and I am just going to position it under the 23 on the mat so that when I cut, these two layers are going to cut on the same mat. There's nothing else to do here, and so I'm just going to select continue on the bottom right. Here on the material screen, I am going to select the material setting that I created for cutting rhinestone flock. My material setting is 345 cut pressure with 1 pass using a 5-point blade. I'm going to get the rhinestone template cut, and then I'll come back to show you how I brush in the Hotfix rhinestones. So to brush in the Hotfix rhinestones, I'm going to start with my first layer. I am going to pour a substantial amount of rhinestones onto the template. I'm going to take my edge brush and I'm going to brush in a circular motion to get the rhinestones to fall into a circle. Now I'm going to use a wax pencil to place rhinestones where they did not brush in and to remove extra rhinestones off of the template. Next, I am going to use the Hotfix transfer tape to pick up the rhinestones. So when applying the Hotfix transfer tape, you want to commit with your downward motion, because once you place the transfer tape down, you cannot pick it up to make any adjustments. So I'm going to lay the middle down first and then my sides. Now I'm going to remove the Hotfix transfer tape and place it back on the backing until I'm ready to press it. I'm going to repeat this process for the remaining layers. So here at the heat press, I have already lint rolled my shirt and pre-pressed the shirt to remove any moisture. I have placed my first layer on the shirt about 3 inches down from the bottom of the collar, and I am going to press it at 350 degrees for 15 seconds. Next, I'm going to place the second layer, making sure that I do not overlap any of the stones that are already on the shirt. So I'm just going to carefully place it down and make sure that I'm not overlapping any of the other rhinestones on the shirt. And I want to make sure that I get it lined up evenly. So now that I have it lined up, I'm going to press this at 350 degrees for 15 seconds. Now I'm going to place the last layer, again, making sure that I do not overlap any of the rhinestones that are already on the shirt. I'm just going to place it, and then once I have everything placed where I want it, I am going to press this at 350 degrees for 15 seconds. Okay, guys, let's see the final result. And it is so cute. Oh my goodness. Look at it. It is so beautiful. I love these colors. I love these colors. What do you guys think? Oh my God, look at that sparkle. That is nice. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. All right, guys, that's all for now. I hope that you're able to follow along with my process. If you like this video and would like to see more, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I will respond back. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.